And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legends. I'm thinking of putting that on a fucking t-shirt. I'm very serious. इधर छाती पे big bloody beautiful legend, like BB, big bloody beautiful, BBBL, BBBL. Like, what gang are you from? Like, you're from a clique. What squad are you from? BBBL, bro. What? Sorry, would you say big bloody beautiful legends? What? Why'd you say that? What the fuck is a big bloody beautiful legend? Are you out of your mind? That's what people are gonna say. Like, huh? क्या क्या बोला के pasa? See, bro, I'm serious. If I don't know how to speak Spanish, but whenever, I mean, obviously from the ZNMD Puerto entrada, like how guys say, oh, Puerto entrada, sab bolenge, sab darwaza. Every girl is gonna open the bathroom door for you. Fuck off, fucking idiot. Who the क्या bro? चमन जैसा थे. फरहान अख्तर बॉलर है. उसका बॉडी देखा है वो पिक्चर में. बॉडी छोड़, पर्सनालिटी देखा है क्या? कूल आदमी था. डेप्थ था, कैरेक्टर डेप्थ उसमें था. तेरे मेरे में कुछ डेप्थ नहीं है. फीफा खेलते हैं अपन, कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी खेलते हैं, ये मैं और तू बात करते हैं टू ऑल द लॉन्डास. दैट्स ऑल वी डू. I mean, I don't know if you're killing it in life, then good for you. But I'm really not. Yeah, this is my outlet. This is where I release all my frustrations of life. Like those dads who come home, beat their kids because they couldn't crack a business deal and hit the bottle. That's what I'm gonna do. That's the kind of father I'm gonna be. Couple of drinks every night. देख अभी अपन चाय पे है, ठीक है. Today I quit the day's coffee, not coffee in general. I quit the day's coffee and I'm having tea. For anybody who heard that, sorry. ASMR is not my biggest pursuit, but I'm trying. Anyway, if you are on YouTube, you see my TikToker hair. I just need to get highlights now. After I get highlights, I am going to ensure that I go on Lokhandwala back road and start making TikTokers about rider provider. For anyone who knows that reference, please tell me. If you know that reference, I love you. Rider provider is a reference. If you understand it, you're in an elite class of absolute time wasters. Okay, because that is what I do, and I know the only reason I know rider provider is because I waste my time throughout the day. But anyway, how have you guys been, man? You wanna hear a stupid thing? I almost filed a fucking complaint against the webcam I'm recording with on Amazon. I filed a fucking complaint. I was like, you motherfuckers, the webcam stopped working, this and that. And halfway through writing the complaint, I was like, let me check. What if I'm wrong? Like, why? कोई defamation case file कर देगा. Let me try again. So you know what I did? I checked. So my mic and the webcam both have a USB connection to go into the laptop. Okay. Turns out I didn't fucking connect the webcam's USB. I just connected my mic. Light, क्योंकि उसमें light आता है, एक red dot आता है when there's power supply. मैं बोला मादर चोद, काम धंधा नहीं है, ये लोग को घटिया प्रोडक्ट बेचते रहते हैं ब्रो. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ठीक है? तू समझ रहा है? ऐसा नहीं होता है, गलत है. So then, turns out I was wrong. So I didn't file a fucking complaint. I instead moved on with my life, and now I'm here recording my podcast. I know this might be disturbing you. If you can, anybody on YouTube, if you're seeing this might be disturbing you, but don't worry. I'm recording with the mic in my hand because apparently the laptop's making the noise, that fucking fan ka noise. One of my friend told me last time the laptop's making a lot of noise because of the fan. And I was like, you know what? You're right. And I do not have the audio engineering experience to fucking correct that. But anyway, moving on to better topics. Bro, y'all are seeing what's happening with that data shit or what, bro? End-to-end encryption, though. I don't know, bro. I'm kind of dumb with all of this stuff. Can somebody explain it to me? See, like, I'll tell you, as far as I know, there is some new app called Signal, okay? Signal, प्यार का signal, दिखा दे signal. If you got that, I love you. But anyway, moving on. Signal is some new app which is like fully encrypted. This WhatsApp is also fully encrypted. I read some like some press statement they made that nothing you like none of your messages or chats are being seen. It is just the business chats or some shit like that. Okay, now I don't know, bro. मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. But since I don't understand, I'm going to continue using fucking WhatsApp. It's not my cup of tea. I don't fucking get it. But on the other end also, see, I don't have, bro, ना कोई अपने को पिक्चर भेजता है जो अश्लील है, ना अपन किसी को अश्लील पिक्चर भेजता है. When I send a picture of my face, that's when it becomes अश्लील. I know that was a very self-deprecating joke, but it is what it is. Can't help it. But on the other end, sorry if you can hear noise. My brother and my mom are fighting because that's what they do. 24/7, bro. Everybody in my house is fighting. I think that is what has happened through lockdown. I've gotten so irritable of people. I feel like hitting anybody I see. Like I genuinely feel, okay, this is my hand, but yeah, I just feel like smacking the fuck out of anybody who's talking too much. Like the recent fight I've been having with my brother, like a proper fight I've been having, is that he thinks that I leave my coffee cups on the study table too much. And that was during exams, right, bro? I told you, like, it's alright to live like a hooligan during exams. And I've been having an issue with him wearing my t shirts. So he's like a bigger guy and he wears fitted clothes, and I also do, but not that fitted, right? So he started taking my t-shirts and started wearing them, and that started to piss me the fuck off. I keep saying, and he, like, like, I let shit go, bro. Like, I don't know, this is dumb, but I let shit go. Like, if somebody comes and says, oh Karan, like, I took your t-shirt, I'll be like, cool, all right. He wore my good t-shirts, the ones that I don't wear as a night dress, and he started wearing, and then it gets stretched out, right? So it doesn't fit me. So then I was like, you know what, that's not good, that's fucked, right? But then he started laughing. He's like, "Chal na yaar, I'll get you a new one." I was like, "Cool, fuck, that's all I need, bro." तो ऐसा reassurance दे रहा है और क्या चाहिए मेरे को life में? तो समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा? ठीक है, अपने को life में reassurance चाहिए. क्या? Reassurance. Everything is gonna be okay. So I let shit go. But then when fuck, bro, and this me leaving a coffee cup on the table does not hamper anybody else's life. You get what I mean? It's not like the coffee is gonna spill. There is no sugar in that cup. It's literally like water and coffee. So ants bhi nahi aayega. And it's not like I leave it for days. I leave it for hours, right? So that's, I don't know. It's very dumb. But my mom also keeps complaining like, "What is this jungly jaise jiro? Jungly jaise jiro? Jungly? That's very crass, my lady. That's not nice." But yeah, man. I think it's kind of fucked. But on secondary note, my toe is better. It's way better. I played football also last week. It was better actually. It didn't hurt that much. That's how I actually retain my fucking audience. Sorry. That's how I retain my audience. I talk about life events that make you wonder. Like, you'll be like brushing your teeth and you'll be like, "Pancho, Karan ka." You'll be brushing your teeth and you'll be like, "Yaar, Karan ka pet hi hua ki nahi hua?" That's how I retain my audience. That's how you will keep coming back to get updates on my fucking life. But yeah, man, it's been better. My toe is healing, and yeah, that's the scene, bro. Huh? What else is going on, boys? What else is up? I recently started watching Scam 1992. Sorry for my hairy leg. I recently started watching Scam 1992. Not recently started watching. Recently completed Scam 1992. What a fucking show, bro. It is fucking fantastic. I loved it. ब्रो उसके बाद ऐसा लगा अपन भी ऐसा स्टॉक वॉक में घुसते हैं, ऐसा मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल बुल बेयर खेलते हैं. सी फाइनेंस इज नॉट माई फील्ड एट fucking all, right? I'm a dud when it comes to all of that. I'm a dud when it comes to a lot of things actually, but yeah, finance is one of them. I understood everything because that show explained it in a, like, interesting manner. Like, they kept me intrigued, like, as to what the fuck happens in the stock market and shit. But it was fucking amazing, man. Like, insider trading, all of that. Have you all seen Big Short? The Big Short. Steve Carell, Brad Pitt, and a couple of other fuckers. Good ones. Oh fuck, Kristen Bale, bro. What a fucking movie, bro. I loved it. Too fucking good, bro. Kind of reminded me of that movie, but from the perspective of assholes instead of the perspective of the good guys. These Big Short people were the ones who were saying like the market will fall, don't fuck around, and Scam 92 made the market fuck around. But yeah, great show, great fucking show. उसके बाद मेरे को लगा कुछ ब्रो ऐसा इतना मतलब कर सकते हैं क्या स्कैम ब्रो, कोई तो करता रहेगा ना. Like somebody must be still doing it, bro. Insider trading and all of that. Like if any of y'all are listening and y'all do insider trading, fucking tell me, bro. I wanna make some money now. It's been a while since I've earned cash. I used to work for a company that makes stainless steel straws. Sakin Eco Straws is the name. Ria Chabaria, the owner of that. Great fucking company. 1 second. Sorry, there was a knock on my door. I told everybody I'm recording the podcast, but nobody cares, bro. ऐसा do you ever feel like you're like तेरा value घर में कुछ नहीं है? Like nobody gives a rat's ass about you. Like I've genuinely started feeling like nobody gives a rat's ass. Like Karan's needs are like down here. कोई कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता. अच्छा करण को गाड़ी चाहिए, fuck that. क्या फर्क पड़ता? वो तो मैनेज कर लेगा. घूमता है ऑटो में पूरा टाइम. कर लेगा. Like I wanted to go for a drive with my friends, and I was like, Mom, I need the car. Can I? If you're not using the car, can I take the car? She was like, go in an auto. No, I was like, for a drive. You want me to go in a fucking auto for a drive? I don't know, bro. Doesn't seem like a good idea to me. But what to do? Such is life. Like I somewhere feel that as life progresses and as you start getting older, people stop giving a fuck about your needs. Like especially with like birthdays and all. I don't know. I feel like with guys, it's not the same. Like as guys grow older, people stop giving a fuck about your birthdays. Like I think milestones are like 18, 21, and then 50. Whereas like I don't know if this is sexist, but I feel like that's how it is, bro. Like girls celebrate the sweet 16. That's not a guy thing. 18 also they celebrate. 21 also they celebrate. Fucking like 30 also they celebrate big time. Like big 3-0 and all of that. And like 50 is the new 40 they celebrate then. अपना क्या है bro? Post the age of 18, I think nobody gives a fuck about this. Apart from like if you have a girlfriend or something, she'll care about you, or your partner, whatever boyfriend will care about you. Otherwise, nobody gives a fuck, bro. Like my bros wished me. I called them home. I planned something. I made them drink, which is when like it was a party. Otherwise, तो कौन ध्यान देता है यार? Like people plan something. Like I think it's one of the reasons men die early, bro. We don't take these joys quite seriously as they should be taken. Like think about it. Like why is it such that you cannot fucking enjoy a sunset? Like sunsets can be enjoyed, but it's like supposed to be a thing which is good and you can enjoy it and you can enjoy the fuck out of it, but somehow in some places I don't think it's really prominent, but some people are such that like if you're a dude and you enjoy sunsets, you're a fucking sissy boy, Nancy boy. Nahi bro, sunsets are beautiful, man. Like I spend quite a few days of the week I spend at 6:30 p.m. enjoying the sunset from my balcony, because my balcony faces the fucking west. Sun rises in the east, sets in the west. So sunrise नहीं देखता मैं, क्योंकि सूर्य नमस्कार अपने को करना ही नहीं है. भाग बहन चोद, time waste, Surya Namaskar and all. Like how I can't believe like people used to spend time doing Surya Namaskar and all back in the day. I'm sure like some dada dadis still do it, but नहीं होता bro. अपने से अपन sundowner वाले हैं. We are sundowner kind of people. But yeah, man, like I feel like if dudes enjoyed like hugging a puppy, like like holding a baby, all that shit, like celebrating your sweet 16, like why do we only enjoy stuff like, oh match dekha, oh bro, like I want to party, bro, I would drink, bro, like this sick shit, bro, like why can't you like be like, oh dude, I really enjoyed a fucking beautiful sunset last week. You can't even imagine. If you use, like, I'm feeling weird using the word romantic. Like I could say, bro, that was such a romantic fucking setting. They'd be like, are you serious, dude? I don't know though. I luckily don't have that set of friends. I have a good set of friends that I guess enjoy the sunset. And then I do, man. I love fucking sunsets. Not fucking sunsets. I love sunsets. Yeah, man. I think I want to start a movement. Dude Happiness Initiative. Dude Happiness Initiative will ensure that dudes celebrate sweet 16s celebrate 18th birthday, 21st birthday, everything. See, 21 पे तू पीता है इसलिए तेरे को मज़ा आता है क्योंकि you can legally buy alcohol now. That's why 21 is a big deal for you. Otherwise, it's really not. Okay. So, dude, happiness initiative will ensure that you get to pet puppies, will ensure that you get to fucking, if you love blinging out, wearing pink, fucking wear it, bro. I love pink hoodies, pink shirt, pink t-shirt. Must sick shit, bro. That's amazing shit. But yeah, I think we can enjoy it and we'll have a great time. And on that note, I think this podcast is coming to an end. I love y'all. Go fucking follow me on Instagram, bro. Karan Kapadia _ Go if you're listening to this on Spotify, Apple Music, Google Podcasts, whatever the fuck y'all are using. Go check out my YouTube channel. Just type Karan Kapadia. I don't know if it's prominent enough, but there's a link. If you go on my Instagram account, there's a link tree. In that link tree के अंदर बहुत सारे link है बैंचोद. वो link में जा, YouTube पे जा. Fucking go subscribe, okay? I love you all. See you all next time. Bye bye.